Yan. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my kitchen. So, today we're going to make a very special... Is this a dessert? Halaya? Tanan? Dessert ba ito? Is this a dessert? So, it's pumpkin halaya. So, the pumpkin, of course, is from our garden. And it's already mashed.
Here's the ingredients of pumpkin halaya. We need 1 pumpkin large, cooked and mashed, 2 cans of condensed milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, sugar, it's optional, and 1/4 unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla.
My sister told me, pour the evaporated milk first. I'm not sure if that's what I remember. Tama ba? Anyway, as long as we get the texture, we get the taste correctly, then we are perfectly fine. Patay tayo dyan. So, just stir it continuously. Pakalam nyo, version namin to. So, another can of condensed milk. Bahala na kayo mag-adjust. Kayo naman kakain. Eh, kami kakain nito, so kami mag-a-adjust. Ganito yung gusto namin.
Huwag mo lang lagyan ng asukal kasi
Feeling ko matamis na, no? Pero paano kung yung nagpapatiken?
yung asukal.
Tiken ng sauce. So what we are trying to achieve here is... Actually, I don't know. And then, a teaspoon of vanilla. You need vanilla for this. 1 teaspoon na ba? Isa pa. Pwede na siguro yun. And then, ayoko kasi yung nag-measure eh. Gusto ko yung mga ganto-ganto lang. Wait lang ah. Kasi namuo yung sugar. Namuo yung sugar. Aminin nyo, ganito din kayo sa bahay nyo, di ba? Di naman kayo nilalagay-lagay sa mga ano eh. Okay, so, yung mga gustong sumama, ayan. Konti lang. Just a little bit of sugar. So we don't get diabetes after this. And then,
Yan, pag
feeling ko mali talaga to. Tapos feeling ko ang daming sabaw.
hindi, kaya nga pa 45 minutes or ano yun,
No, 30 to 40 minutes.
30 to 40.
Okay guys, I'm just following the instruction of my older sister. And since she is my older sister, I have to follow her instruction. It's my first time doing this. May nagsusunog na naman.
Ang ganda.
So, I'm also going to mix this cashew nuts. Okay. Just like this. Okay. So this is pumpkin halaya with cashew nuts. Naisip ko lang. Ngayon lang. Kung yung maisip ko yun ang gagawin ko. So this is basically an exercise for your arm. It really hurts. Kasi nakaka-boring, di ba? 30 to 40 minutes you have to do like this. So we might as well dance. I want nobody, nobody but you. I want nobody, nobody but you. Yeah, it really hurts. Nakakabaliw pala yung pumpkin. Okay. So let's give it a taste. Ang sarap! Hindi ko pa natin.
람메 가요 어깨 가요
Hindi.
가요 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 람메 가요
Grabe, ang sarap.
어깨 가요
Parang hindi siya kalabasa. Parang siyang cheese. It tastes like cheesy, ano ba yun? Yung taste niya, parang may ano, basta cheese. Parang may cheese yung lasa niya. Later. Grabe. Ang tagal ko nung na ganito. Hindi pa rin tapos. Okay. So, I think this is already ready. Okay. Now, because I don't have Parmesan cheese, I'm going to put this gouda.